Hurricane Erin is once again a major hurricane, Category 4 strength, 130 mile per hour sustained winds, and as you can see, it is really starting to reorganize on satellite. Let's go into the track and see how this is impacting things. And looking at the National Hurricane Track, still keeping Erin quite far offshore from the eastern United States. We are expecting that northern turn very soon. However, it has been jogging westward. This is the concerning trend. Let's look at Hurricane Erin over the past 24 hours. You can see continuing northwestward for a bit, but when it re-strengthened with its eye just over the past 4 hours, it is just moving due west about 5 miles per hour. Every mile it inches westward is another mile it could inch westward later in its track. And also looking at its hurricane force winds, those are rapidly expanding because it's gone over an eye wall replacement cycle where the heaviest and highest winds start to spread out far from the center, bringing impacts more widespread to like the Turks and Caicos and the Bahamas. Looking at the future radar for this storm, this is the European model, bringing it northwest and continuing the turn, getting very close to the Outer Banks, bringing dangerous conditions to the Outer Banks, including very large surf, which we'll go over, and possibly tropical force storm winds. Looking at the European model for another opinion about the situation, again, bringing itself very close, almost directly aiming at North Carolina and then moving away at the last second. Again, this is very close for comfort. This is why we're going to watch it very closely. Current hurricane force winds spread out 170 miles per hour and away from the center as well. Erin is a complete monster Category 4 storm, expected to continue strengthening throughout today as well. Now, looking at the main impacts that are guaranteed, we have dangerous surf with over 100-foot waves forecasted for the center of the storm, but 40-foot waves forecasted for some areas like the Outer Banks. And looking at the U.S. rip current risk, this goes along right side with it. We have major rip current risk across almost the entire eastern seaboard and expect this to grow after day as the storm continues to move northward. Stay at Rainy Day Weather for further updates and let me know what questions you guys have about Hurricane Erin.